Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to graph blood pressure in Excel. So let's begin. First, select data, go to insert tab, recommended chart, all chart, find line chart, click OK. Click on the chart, right click on your mouse, select data, and now see this chart data range. Adjust, alright, horizontal category, alright, okay. Then change chart title, double click on the chart title, type your chart title or copy from anywhere, then press Ctrl V. Add element, axis, titles, data labels, data tables, error bar, grid lines, trend line. Okay. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, share and subscribe to my